Hello everyone. Today, me, your friend Krishna Kumar Chaudhary from Viratnagar came with the new content. The content is vector triple product. Okay, vector triple product. Triple product. We already know about the triple means three. Suppose that let three vectors. Let A vector, B vector, C vector be three vectors. Three vectors. Oh, suppose these are three vectors. Then vector triple product is defined by, how will you define it? Is defined by the cross product. Okay, the cross, or we can say vector product or cross product of A vector with B cross C vector. No, this is the definition. That is, what does it mean? That is A cross B cross C. Now, between B cross C with A vector, cross product is called vector triple product. So after then we have a geometrical meaning. What do you know about the geometrically vector triple product means? Not the vector only. Product means geometrical meaning of A vector cross B vector and then cross C vector. Okay, what do you know geometrically? Okay, geometrically what do you know? So for that, here we know that here what type of B cross C is, what type of vector is will be formed here. Here B cross C vector is a vector perpendicular to both B vector and C vector. Such type of vector will be formed that will be perpendicular to B and C. If B will be here, no, suppose here I am making the figure. Suppose this is B vector and this is C vector. No, if you will do B cross C, then B cross C will be this type of ball pen, you can say, perpendicular to this. No, perpendicular to this. And if you will do cross with A, no, cross with A, this perpendicular, then what you will get, and A cross B cross C, then after A cross B cross C is a vector coplanar with B and C, coplanar with B vector and C vector. No, that means all A, B, C will lie on the same plane. Okay, will lie on the same plane. After then you have a questions. The question is so that you need to show that A vector cross B vector and then cross C vector. The result you will get A vector dot C vector and then B vector and minus A vector dot B vector and then C vector multiply. Okay, this result you will get. So this you need to prove it. Okay, question is prove it, this equal to this. That means how the formation is A with C and then B, A with B and then C. Okay, A with first, C last, A first to last and then B second and first, second, third, similarly. Okay, so for that you need to show, or you can say find the expression you are going to find, or question will be asked to find the expression of A cross B cross C, that it means same. For that, let's have a proof. Suppose that for the expression what we were doing, suppose let A vector is your A1 I vector plus A2 J vector and then plus A3 K vector. Okay, and B vector you have B1 I vector plus B2 J vector and plus B3 k vector. And lastly c vector, you have c1 I vector plus c2 j vector and then plus c3 k vector. These three vector you have considered because you need to find a cross b cross c. Now suppose a b c are this. Let's find b and c first. B cross c, let's find out. Now b cross c, find out here. What you will get, b vector cross c vector. B vector cross c vector, which is equal to, how will you find? That is determinant I vector, j vector and then k vector. And b I j k coefficient is b1, b2, b3 and c coefficient is c1, c2, c3. No, then upon it, or you can expand I vector. What you will obtain, that is, I remove it, b2 c3, b2 c3 minus b3 c2, b3 c2. Okay, b1 b2 c3 minus b3 c2 and then minus j vector, then remove the j1, j row and column, then what you will get, b1 c3, b1 c3 minus b3 c1. And lastly k vector, what you will obtain, that k vector is your k vector. You will get what, k vector, remove the k vector row and column, that is b1 c2, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 you will obtain. No, this you will obtain. And after then, after getting this, let's make it this one plus. Okay, this make it plus. If you will make the plus, what you will get, then what you will get, b cross c you are going to calculate, that is I vector, you will get b2 c3 minus b3 c2 and plus j vector, minus we multiply it. No, multiply with minus, this will come front, this will go back, then b3 c1. Okay, b3 c1 minus b1 c3 and lastly you have k vector, that is b1 c2 minus b2 c1. This you will get. Okay, now your target is to find now what you are working for. You are working for the a cross b cross c. Now this you, for this you are going to work it. So which is equal to, again you can find it by in the determinant form. I will write larger, so you will write here I j and then k here. And what is the a coefficient, I j k? A, obviously you have a1, a2, a3, but b cross c I j k coefficient. What is b cross c? B cross c I coefficient is b2 c3, b2 c3 minus b3 c2. No, and j coefficient is your b3 c1 minus b1 c3, b3 c1 minus b1 c3. And lastly k coefficient is your what? K coefficient you have b1 c2, b1 c2 minus b2 and then last you have c1. Okay, last you have c1. So expand it, which is equal to, I will write from here, that you are going to find, what you are going to find it, a cross b cross c. No, this vector you are going to find, which is equal to I vector and then expand it, that is I remove it. No, row and column you can leave it, then you will get multiply with this one. What you will get, a2 b1 c2, a2 b1 c2 and minus a2 b2 and then c1. No, and then minus of these two, minus of these two. No, what you will get, minus a3 b3 c1 minus minus plus, plus a3 b1 c3. This you got of I. Now similarly of, obviously minus j will be here, then of j what you will get, remove the j row and column. What you will get, a1 b1 c2, you will get a1, okay, a1 b1 and then c2, a1 b1 then c2 minus a1 b2 c1 and then minus j you are removing. No, so after then multiply these two, minus a2 b2 c3. No, a2 b2 c3, a2 will not be, a3 will be. No, j you are removing, a3 b2 c3 a3 b2 c3 and then minus minus plus a3 b3 and then c2. This you got of j. Now after then of k plus then k vector, what you will obtain? K vector, remove the k row and column. If you remove this, obviously this much only you will get, so multiply it, you will get a1 b3 c1 and then minus a1 b1 c3 and minus a2 b2 c3 and then plus minus minus plus, plus a2 b3 and then c2. This you got, which is equal to what you will obtain, which is equal to once arrange it. So I vector, I will write here I vector, then minus write in one side a2 b1 c2 and my plus a3 b1 c3 and minus a2 b2 c1 minus a3 b3 c1. Once I have arranged it, minus in one place, positive in the means separate place, and then just make it plus. So plus j vector, after then if you will multiply it, what you will get? Minus this one, this plus we will get, this will be the plus. So a1 b2 c1 and then plus a3 b2 c3 and then obviously you will get minus this one which are positive, minus a1 b1 c2 and this you will get negative, minus a3 b3 and then c2 of k vector. What you will obtain? K vector, then again arrange is positive one, a1 b3 c1 and plus a2 b3 c2 minus a1 b1 c3 and minus a2 b2 and then c3. Nothing is done, just arranged it, and two steps are done here, arranging and negative is made here positive, other nothing is done here. Okay, and which is equal to I vector. In case of I, just add and subtract a1 b1 c1, a1 b1 c1, add it and subtract even. So I am adding here a1 b1 c1, rest of as it is, a1 b1 c1 and the rest of as it is, plus a2 b1 c2 and plus a3 b1 c3 and you have added this one, so subtraction also will be a1 b1 c1 and minus a2 b2 c1 and minus what you have here a3 b3 c1. This you got of I. Just you have added a1 b1 c1 and subtracted, a1 b1 c1 added, a1 b1 subtracted. And in case of j, plus j vector, just add and subtract a2 b2 c2. So a1 b2 c1, here you have added a2 b2 c2 and then plus as it is a3 b2 c3 minus as it is a1 b1 c2. Subtract it, a2 b2 c2 subtracted in the second position, just subtract here a2 b2 and c2 and minus what you will get a3 b3 c3 you have here lastly, a3 b3 and c2, this you have in the last. And plus k vector, last what you have, just you need to add here a3 b3 c3. Okay, you need to add and subtract a3 b3 c3. So as it is this one, a1 b3 c1 plus a2 b3 c2, just add here a3 b3 c3 and minus a1 b1 c3 minus a2 b2 c3 and here subtract it, you have added a3 b3 c3, subtract it a3 b3 and c3, this you subtracted. So which is equal to, just take the common, which is equal to I vector, you are calculating a cross b cross c vector, I vector. Now take the common in the positive. What is the common here? Just b1 b1 b1, b1 is common here, a1 c1 plus a2 c2 plus a3 c3 and then b1 you have here common. Okay, minus here what is the common? C1 is common, C1 is common, minus you have taken common, so left is a1 b1 plus a2 b2 and plus a3 b3 and you have here c1 is your common. And similarly in the case of j vector, even what you have common there, obviously you will get b2 common in the case of j vector, b2 common. So a1 c1 plus a2 c2, okay, a2 c2 and plus a3 c3, and you will get here b2 common, minus in the second in j of the negative one, what you will get, c2 you will get common, what, a1 b1 plus a2 b2 and then plus a3 b3, and here you have c2. No, and lastly k vector you have here, and in this case you obviously will get b3 common. So a1 c1 plus a2 c2 and plus a3 c3, and then you have b3, and minus here obviously a1 b1 and plus a2 b2 and plus a3 b3, and then you have c3 here common. So what is the common in the positive now? You will check a1 c1, a1 c1, this a1 c1, a2 c2, a3 c3 is common in whole in the positive. So take the common in the positive first again. So after the common, what you will have, you have a1 c1 plus a2 c2 and plus a3 c3. In the case of positive, this is common. So what is left in the positive? b1 I vector plus b2 j vector and plus b3 k vector is left in positive. So you have here, after common you have b1 I vector plus b2 j vector and plus b3 k vector. This is left. And in the case of negative, you will get a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 common. So take the common, minus a1 b1 and plus a2 b2 and plus a3 b3 is common. So what you have left here, obviously you have c1 I, c2 j, 3k. So write it here. So you will have here c1 I vector plus c2 j vector and then plus c3 k vector. This is left, which is equal to, you can say this as a dot c, and then this is, you can say b vector, minus this you will say a dot b, and then lastly you can say c vector. This is your proof for the a cross b cross c vector. Now this is your proof. So this is the measure in the scalar triple product, vector triple product. No, and next video will be your vector product of 4 vectors. No, the scalar product of 4 vectors. What is the vector product of 4 vectors? About that video you will get soon. Okay, thank you this much for today. Thank you this much. Okay, this is your result of a cross b cross c. Okay, b cross c. This is your result of a cross b cross c. Understood? Okay, thank you this much for today.